Beautiful Monday here, Illinois. I'm stuck here. Looks like here, pilot truck stop. By the way, I'd like to introduce you guys. This is called Fuel Power. This is Fuel Power. It will cleanse diesel gas, biodiesel trimmer, improve your lubricity, and cleanser injector, and helps to improve your mileage. So what happens when you drive in the highway or get up in the morning, it's time to start the engine. Sometimes, many times, your engine is not running like a brand new. Okay? Then simply you buy this product, I think for only $10-15. Just directly pour into your fuel tank. Let it run about 30 minutes, 1 hour. Guess what? Your engine gonna be run like a brand new again. So I did try that. This thing works really good. You will cleanse the injector, and because one injector you wanna be replaced by that, it costs for parts itself $600 to $800 depends on where you buy one injector. So installation and replacement everything, they're gonna be charge you over $1,000 or $2,000 because they have to be, all the head gasket is removed. There's 450 bolts have to be removed. I'm assuming closely they're gonna charge you close about $2,000. Simply one injector replace. So simply put this one, it will clean entire fuel injector. It cleans 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then you can, start running like a brand new engine again, folks. Alright, so trying to introduce you and thank you for watching. I'm at the pilot truck stop. So many trucks is not moving. They're all parking here because there's a very low. It's not worth it. They pay very cheap because they have a cost. It's very bad market going here right now. Hopefully better sometime next year, folks. So do not spend any money. You're gonna have a tough year to end up with this year. Alright, folks. Thank you for watching. Thank you for thumbs up. Love you all. Have a wonderful day and Monday. See you again.